Yo, what's going on everyone? It's Logan here and STRAYKIDZ! Oh, come back today. Yes, absolutely insane. Shakshi, one might say. Shakshi. Nah, but for reals, STRAYKIDZ, what's the song called? Solebon? It's gonna be freaking insane. I know it's gonna be insane because that's all STRAYKIDZ do. They release banging music and oh my god, it's gonna just be amazing. But most importantly, it's gonna be Shakshi. But yeah, other than that, should we just get straight on into this? I'm freaking excited. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, let's do this. Oh, we got some art. Oh, whoa. Okay. Oh, this art style is sick. Whoa. Oh, chunk bed. Oh. Oh, Han. Oh my god. Oh! Yunjin! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is awesome. Dude. Can we just talk about snack food right now? Because we just saw a lot of snack food right here. That's a lot of snack food right there. Yum yum in my tum. God damn, Bangchan. God damn, you were built like a oh hoo hoo, sexy. God damn. Soreboom. Oh, Thunderous. Oh. Oh. Oi, oi. They just dropped it. They dropped their asses to the ground. Oh! Bro! Yo. Bruh. Oh, this just goes up. It's another banger. We already knew it was another banger. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, that was awesome. What? What? STRAYKIDZ, they know how to be awesome. Oh, Felix knows how to be awesome. God damn, that hairstyle though. I want to pay more attention to the music video during my own time because god damn, this looks cool. Was that a wanted poster list? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel like we're about oh that choreography, no fucking way. What? Wait, it's over. It's what? Nah, it can't be. There's got to be more. There's got to be more. There's got to be more. Come on, give me more. STRAYKIDZ everywhere, all around the world. You make STRAYKIDZ stay. Yeah. No, that's actually it. That's actually it. What? Okay, I gotta say, the only bad thing about the song is that it ended. Other than that, it was an absolute freaking banger. Like, top quality music from STRAYKIDZ. And also, they released a lot of, like, music videos or, like, stuff for, like, the other songs of this, album, right? Or something like that. So if you guys want to see my reaction to all of that, then definitely comment down below, because I'll be happy to do that. All of those in one video, by the way. And also, follow me on Twitter, because I plan on doing videos where I ask questions about STRAYKIDZ or something like that. Or I just want STRAYKIDZ memes. If I, like, you guys gotta see me STRAYKIDZ memes on Twitter. Come on. We'll make a video just looking at STRAYKIDZ memes. That would be freaking fantastic, wouldn't it? Yes, it will. The song was just amazing. It was awesome. I loved it. I want to pay more attention to the music video, like full detail of it during my own time and see how awesome it is, because there's so many details that I definitely missed out on, and oh my god. But yeah, other than that, hopefully you all have a great day. Keep smiling. Be safe out there, because I don't want you to get sick. And yeah, other than that, peace.